संजय सिंह अभी मीडिया को एड्रेस कर रहे हैं, देखते हैं उनके पास इन सवालों के जवाब हैं कि नहीं।
स्वाति मालीवाल जी मिलने के लिए पहुंची थी, ड्राइंग रूम में इंतजार कर रही थी। इस बीच विभव कुमार जी वहां पे आते हैं और उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की, अभद्रता की। इस पूरे मामले की जानकारी 112 नंबर पे कॉल करके स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने पुलिस को दी। इस घटना की जितनी निंदा की जाए कम है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने पूरी घटना को संज्ञान में लिया है और इस पूरे मामले में सख्त कार्रवाई करने को कहा है। जहां तक स्वाति मालीवाल जी का प्रश्न है, स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने देश के लिए, समाज के लिए बड़े काम किए हैं। पार्टी की पुरानी और सीनियर लीडर में से एक हैं। हम सब उनके साथ हैं और निश्चित रूप से ये जो पूरा प्रकरण हुआ है इसको मुख्यमंत्री जी ने गंभीरता में संज्ञान में लिया है और इस पे कार्रवाई करेंगे। आम आदमी पार्टी ऐसे लोगों का समर्थन नहीं करती है, ये स्पष्ट करना चाहते हैं।
That statement has given rise to further questions about what exactly happened, because even now there are two versions of the sequence of events. One that has been registered in the PCR complaint in the police diary of North Delhi Police, which says that at the behest of Arvind Kejriwal, the complainant who happened to be a female, the call had come from Swati Maliwal's number, and now there is almost no doubt after Sanjay Singh's statement that it was Swati Maliwal who had called. It said, लेडी कॉलर कह रही हैं मैं सीएम के घर पर हूं, उन्होंने अपने पीए वैभव कुमार से मुझे बुरी तरह पिटवाया है। All that Sanjay Singh now said is that CM has taken cognizance of this matter, that the party will take action, that the party stands with Swati Maliwal. But the one other version that is missing, the official version that is missing, Tejashree, is of Swati Maliwal. Where is she? Why has she not come out and set the record straight?
Well, Swati Maliwal is untraceable as of now. We have also tried to call her several times, but she has not responded to any of the calls. And in fact, what the sources are also telling us that party leaders are also trying to get in touch with her, but sources close to Swati Maliwal are telling that she is unwell as of now, and she will be coming out once she is completely fine, and that she has also not come to the police station yet. We are reporting just outside the police station, just outside Civil Lines police station, where she came after she made the PCR call at 9:30. She reached CM's residence at 9 o'clock and made a call at 9:30, and then she came here in between 9:30 to 10 o'clock. But as of now, yes, she has not filed any kind of complaint, and the police will be taking strict action when will be starting the investigation when the complaint is filed. Because remember that to file a complaint, the signature of the complaint is necessary. But as far as the party's response is concerned, Sanjay Singh has come out and said that they are not going to spare of whatever has happened.
But what does Sanjay Singh mean by saying that they will take action against Vibhav Kumar? Is Aam Aadmi Party going to file a police complaint?
As of now, there is no clarity so as to will Aam Aadmi Party be filing a complaint, because remember that it's more than 24 hours for this incident, since the incident has happened, and Aam Aadmi Party is reacting after 24 hours, and that too they are saying now what they are saying is quite surprising. They are saying that that Vibhav Kumar had assaulted Swati Maliwal, and that they stand with her, and they also accepted the fact that yes, Swati Maliwal did make a PCR call on the number 112, and that they will be taking action against Vibhav Kumar, and that they will not tolerate any such kind of incident within the party.
All right. So this official statement coming in from Sanjay Singh 31 hours after the first call went to the Delhi police. Before we move on, let's for our viewers play that reaction out once again.
कल एक बहुत ही निंदनीय घटना घटित हुई जिसके बारे में आप सबको बताना चाहता हूं। कल सुबह अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के आवास पर स्वाति मालीवाल जी मिलने के लिए पहुंची थी, ड्राइंग रूम में इंतजार कर रही थी। इस बीच विभव कुमार जी वहां पे आते हैं और उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की, अभद्रता की। इस पूरे मामले की जानकारी 112 नंबर पे कॉल करके स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने पुलिस को दी। इस घटना की जितनी निंदा की जाए कम है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने पूरी घटना को संज्ञान में लिया है और इस पूरे मामले में सख्त कार्रवाई करने को कहा है। जहां तक स्वाति मालीवाल जी का प्रश्न है, स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने देश के लिए, समाज के लिए बड़े काम किए हैं। पार्टी की पुरानी और सीनियर लीडर में से एक हैं। हम सब उनके साथ हैं और निश्चित रूप से ये जो पूरा प्रकरण हुआ है इसको मुख्यमंत्री जी ने गंभीरता में संज्ञान में लिया है और इस पे कार्रवाई करेंगे। आम आदमी पार्टी ऐसे लोगों का समर्थन नहीं करती है, ये स्पष्ट करना चाहते हैं।
Tejashree, from the face of it, it looks like Sanjay Singh had come prepared with a written statement and addressed the media. Was there any cross-questioning about why did it take so long for the party to make their stand official?
No, as such, there was no cross-questioning in this particular press conference. But let me also tell you that what earlier the party sources were telling that first they were telling that Vibhav Kumar was not present during this time of during the time of incident. This information was circulated within the party sources. They were telling that first Vibhav Kumar was not present and that Swati Maliwal wanted to meet the chief minister. She did not get the time, and then some kind of ruckus happened in between the staff, and then she called the PCR. And then again Sanjay Singh coming out a few minutes back and coming out with this particular press conference where he says that Vibhav Kumar is accountable for whatever has happened and he did assault Swati Maliwal is very much surprising, because the kind of statements that the kind of unofficial sources, unofficial statements you can say that were coming out from the party line, they were suggesting something else. Today what they are saying on record with a press conference where Sanjay Singh, a very senior leader from Aam Aadmi Party, very close to Arvind Kejriwal, coming out in defense of Swati Maliwal and lashing out at Vibhav Kumar is certainly very much surprising. And now we'll have to see, the big question over here is that will Swati Maliwal come to the police station to file a complaint against Vibhav Kumar? Will the FIR be lodged? And what action will be taken against Vibhav Kumar from Aam Aadmi Party?
Now, for the uninitiated, Vibhav Kumar is said to be extremely close to Arvind Kejriwal. He's one of the very few people who also got permission to meet him when he was inside the jail. Remember that permission is granted only to a limited number of people. But Tejashree, where is Vibhav Kumar? Have we heard his side of the story yet?
See, as of now, there has been no communication with Vibhav Kumar as well.
All right.
Because, yes, he is considered to be very close aide of Arvind Kejriwal. And also remember that he, along with Sunita Kejriwal, used to go to meet Arvind Kejriwal when he was in custody of Enforcement Directorate,
yes,
or while he was in judicial custody.
All right. Stay on with me.